1961 Chevy Apache. Amazing condition, inside, outside. Owner spared no expense. Custom frame off restoration, diamond plating, wood planks, the carpet, the interior all matching. Seat belts and everything. Only 69,000 miles. This has been taken very, very, very good care of. Check out that color. Give me yours. The price is right. Give us a call. 1961 Chevy Apache. Take it for a spin. Oh yeah, she's still got it. And she sounds great. Come and check it out while it lasts.